Let's be creative. Let's be innovative. Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Innovation. And today we're making DIY chocolate boxes. So let's get started. For this you will need a plastic water bottle. We're recycling it. So you need the middle part. Let's cut it. So we flatten the sides. You need adult supervision to do this. So how we flattened it, it's like a hot iron. That's how we flattened it. So you have to cut 2 pieces of the paper, and then you glue the edges to stick the paper on it, like that. So all around the edges, remember. Okay, when you're glued, you can take your cutout paper and glue it on the glued edges. So you have to do the other side like it. Alright, almost done. After putting the paper all around the edges, you will need the glue again and put the glue on the paper so you can stick it like that. You need the glue again and stick the paper together. Okay, when it's sticked, do the other side just like it. So we're done. I'm going to glue the other side and put that paper again. There, perfect. Now I'm done the other side. I just have to glue the papers together. I cannot wait. Okay, when you're done doing that, you will need some ribbon. Okay, lace. You will first take any colored lace you like. First, you measure it and then you stick it. We'll need UHU glue because it's hot. Hot glues, yeah, you need in any craft hot glues. So there, let's stick that over there. I'm done. Now stick the ribbon. So same like you stick before on the edges. Now stick on the paper's edges the lace like that, all around the paper edges. Okay, we are done. Okay, you have to do it both sides. There, we done. Now take the ribbon and tie it on the other side. First, crumble the side and then take the ribbon and knot it. You can make a bow. So great. There. My mom is doing it because I don't know how to do a knot. Sometimes I forget to make a knot, so yeah, I forgot in this video that how to, knot it. Okay, don't do the other side because do you know what we are going to put? Candies! I am putting 2 chocolate candies and 3 of the caramel candies. There. Almost done. You don't have to put a lot because you're making a tiny chocolate box, so yeah, not a lot. There. And you put the candies, chocolate candies or just caramel candies, any candies. You have to crumble the other side and then again knot that side. And there you go. Chocolate box for Eid. There we go. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. The comments are off, so don't need to comment down below. How beautiful. I love the spots on it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.